Hello everyone, welcome back to Accounting Simplified by HA. The world is watching the rising tensions between Iran and the USA. This is not just politics, it is a major economic event. Today, I will explain exactly how this conflict impacts global markets, stock exchanges, and most importantly, your personal savings. This is critical accounting masterclass to help you protect your wealth during a crisis. Let's analyze this situation. First, let's understand the core factors when warfare rises. The global accounting landscape changes instantly. Point 1. Geopolitical tension. Increased risk creates global instability, causing investors to panic. Point second, investor settlement. Market panic leads to a rush for safe haven assets, pulling money out of risky markets. Point 3. Crude oil prices. Any threat to supply in the Middle East has a massive economic impact globally. Point 4. Stock market crash. Extreme volatility causes indices to drop as everyone tries to sell at once. Point 5. Dollar strengthening. The USA dollar is the global currency in a crisis. It strengthens, which is a key accounting principle. So, how do you negative a market crash? Here is your guide. Point 1. Analyze high-risk assets. Research your stocks and crypto holdings. Check their fundamentals immediately. Point 2. Distribute investments. Do not have all your money in one place. Spread your funds and rebalance your portfolio. Point 3. Monitor trends. Observe patterns but critically manage your emotions. Panic selling is your enemy. Point 4. Track risk. Calculate your exact exposure to risky assets and establish strict limits. Point 5. Prepare hedging. Explore options like short selling or inverse ETF. These are advanced accounting strategies. Next, we must analyze the effect on crude oil and inflation. Point 1. Global oil prices. War threats impact supply immediately, affecting the global economic supply chain. Point 2. Production output from the region is at risk, which the energy sector watches closely. Point 3. Supply chain. Logistics become complex and expensive, increasing energy cost. Point 4. Refineries. Processing and operational capabilities could face disruptions. Point 5. Inflation and cost. This all leads to higher pricing for consumers, increasing the overall cost of living. Finally, where do you put your money for safety? These are protected assets. Point 1. Identify safe assets. Research gold and analyze the strength of the US dollar USD. Point 2. Monitor price. Observe fluctuation in gold prices and check USD exchange rates. Point 3. Buy physical gold bullion or diversify into USD cash holdings. Point 4. Protected portfolio. These assets mitigate risk and provide stable returns when markets are crashing. Point 5. Global accounting. Tracking currency strength is essential for hedging your wealth internationally. Geopolitical crises are terrifying, but with the right financial understanding, you can protect your family future. Use these global accounting principles to make smart decisions. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Accounting Simplified by HA. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next masterclass. Thank you.